There are times when we are so happy and we want to express it to the world. But other than saying, I'm so happy, we really get confused as to what are the different expressions that we should be using, because we are so happy, we really want to be, expressive, we are ecstatic, we are on the top of the world, but how do we express it? Well, you all are once again most welcome to Tutorials Point. Let us go ahead and learn about phrases to express your happiness in English. Okay, the first one, pleased as punch. Well, this is an amazing and fantastic, a fantastic phrase to express your happiness, wherein this basically means that you are really sort of ebullient. You are so full of happiness that, it could be for any reason. For example, I was pleased as punch to see my old friend. So I was pleased as punch, or I am pleased as punch to hear the results of the work which I have done. Well, use this expression to express your happiness whenever you feel that your happiness is sort of, beyond all boundaries and you just want the world to know how happy you are. Use it. Okay. On cloud 9, well, cloud 9 is yet another expression to express your happiness. Ever since that I came to know of my promotion, I've been on cloud 9, or, again, sort of a way to express that you are really on the top of the world and you are just so you're in such a high life state, you're in such high spirits, so which is why you are on cloud 9. So cloud 9 again is an imaginary sort of a situation, but yes, an amazing, a very sweet way of expressing your happiness. Okay, jump for joy. Well, very expressive way to express your happiness, because whenever sort of we all of a sudden get a very good news, don't we all just jump full of joy? So it is an expression which is more to do with, you jumping full of joy whenever there is any good news that you get. So you could use this as an expression, yet another very expressive way to suggest that you are very happy. So the bowler jumped for joy as the ball hit the middle stump. So jumped for joy. I jumped for joy as soon as I heard that, my my CTC had been increased, or as soon as I heard that whatever I had applied for, I got that job. So that is sort of an expression of jumped for joy. On the top of the world, yes, don't we really feel that we are on the top of the world and we can just do anything and everything at any point in life when we are so happy. So this is yet another expression which would really help you to express what you're feeling at that point in time when you're exhilarated and you are ecstatic and you just feel out of the world. You just feel that you are the king or the queen of the world. So you can use this expression. I am on the top of the world. My younger brother just got selected for Indian cricket team. Wow, really an amazing occasion, really an amazing situation wherein, you feel that something that you were really trying for has been finally, it has finally happened. So obviously this is going to be an amazing expression to express what you're feeling. Okay, over the moon. Well, you could be on cloud 9, you could be on the top of the world. Similarly, you could also be over the moon. So sort of, again, it sort of expresses, it sort of conveys that you are so delighted, you are so full of happiness, you're in such high spirits and everything, like you literally feel that you're on top of everything, right? So this again conveys that you are very happy. I am over the moon. My son came first in the class. Again, a situation wherein, you feel that it is something which gives you immense confidence, which gives you immense happiness, fills your heart with joy. Use this expression. Okay, last but not the least, grin from ear to ear. Well, it is It is an expression which conveys that ever since you got a good news, or ever since any anything which you'd been trying for happened, ever since that happened, you've been smiling, you've been grinning. Grin actually means a smile, right? So you've been smiling from year to year. That is what it actually means. So I am grinning from ear to ear ever since I heard great things the client had to say about our company. So again, it could be anything. It could be work related stuff, it could be your health related stuff, it could be finance, it could be anything, right? So anything could make you happy, and when you're happy you cannot just stop smiling. So when you cannot stop smiling and you're extremely happy, just use this expression: ever since I came to know of my promotion, I've been grinning from year to year. So again, a sweet, amazing, fun-filled way of expressing that you are very, very happy. Well, I wish amazing and abundant happiness to all of you all, and I hope and I wish that you keep grinning from ear to ear, and every time you get a good news, you are on cloud 9. Well, I will see you again in the next video. Till that time, keep learning with tutorials, Point and Tutorics. Have a good day.